Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App payment fail or Cash App payment cancel problem. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back. And guys, after going to back you need to open your settings first. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you have already connected, you have to forget this network and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. So guys, now you have to check your phone number in which you want to send your payment. Make sure that that number is correct. So guys, if not, you need to correct that. And guys, after this you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. And guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after this you have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. And guys, check your software version. So guys, maybe there is iOS problem. When you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your app store on your iPhone. And guys, here you need to search Cash App. So guys, after searching this app, you have to open your app here. And guys, you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app first. And guys, after doing these things, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, from here you need to find Cash App. So guys, you have to wait for some seconds. You have to find Cash App, open your Cash App here and offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.